Bullish die cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $8.50 by 2030. Market experts accept die could reach $3.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2023 is 80 cents. Die presentation. Die has entered the crypto market as an exceptional and significant token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the creator convention. Assuming you're interested about the cost of die, look no further. In this die cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be familiar with the cost of die, from the ongoing cost to greatest value, die cost today, normal conjecture cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed die cost figure. What is die? Die is a digital currency resource sent off as the very first security-supported, decentralized cryptographic money. Die is unique in relation to different monetary standards in the crypto market, not at all like resource-supported monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven. Die endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the producer convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. Die can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation named in ETH, the local cash of Ethereum. Who made die? Die was formally sent off in 2017 on the producer convention made by the creator establishment. Die was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is represented by MakerDAO, which took over from the creator establishment. Die specialized examination. Any die cost expectation needs to consider the remarkable position the die token holds in the crypto market. Like other digital forms of money, it is programmable, borderless, and simple to move, yet what separates die is its steady cost. Numerous financial backers have shown distinct fascination with purchasing die on the grounds that it offers straightforwardness and effectiveness like other digital forms of money, however dodges the cost instability and inborn gamble factor. As a stablecoin, die is an important token for making a solid speculation and staying away from high unpredictability periods that storm the open crypto market. Regarding whether or not die cost will go up from here on out, there is nobody right response. The coin's cost can and differs, yet its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that in a perfect world, die's cost shouldn't vary a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of die with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an impractical notion for the coin. Be that as it may, die's cost could in any case vacillate, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market opinion and do your own examination prior to settling on a purchasing choice. Die current cost. Die is as of now worth $1 USD. Die has moved 0.04% as of now with an exchanging volume of $140,002,835. Die is as of now position 17 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,201,137,733 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for die to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant die market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Die value forecast 2023. Die, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The die cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.50. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headway. Die is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. Die value forecast 2024. In 2024, die cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of die will before long outperform $2.50. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the die's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, die will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. Die value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.50 and die might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Die is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2025. DAI Value Forecast 2026. In the event that DAI effectively supports market feeling among digital money lovers, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2026. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2027, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DAI has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. DAI Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $6.50. Neglecting to assemble the help DAI needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $6. DAI Value Expectation 2029. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2029. DAI Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, DAI will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. DAI Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme DAI cost in 2031 is projected to be $9.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.40. And, generally, obviously producer convention is upheld by a creative group, an exceptional vision, and strong essentials. The framework's basic role is to present a digital currency that remains fixed to the worth of a genuine resource and stay away from the cost unpredictability that torment the crypto market. While it is a profoundly mind-boggling framework, it is one worth watching out for what's to come. As of now, DAI holds the possibility to alter the digital currency market and bring solidness into the framework. And financial backers are eager to perceive how the stage fills from here on out. To enhance your speculation portfolio, purchasing DAI might actually be a productive long-haul venture. Be that as it may, this DAI Value Forecast isn't planned to be speculation counsel, and you should do your own exploration prior to putting resources into DAI. What is the DAI cost today? Today, DAI is exchanging at $1 with a complete market capitalization of $5,201,137,733. Is DAI a wise speculation? DAI ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that DAI is a decent decision of speculation. How high could DAI at